How's it going, guys? Garrett over here at Chesaco RV, here with the Forest River Vibe 34BH for a unit that's 38 feet long and 7,900 pounds dry weight. This thing is awesome for its layout. Up front, we got a power tongue jack, easy on and off for when you're going camping, along with two 20-pound tanks for your propane. As we come along, you got a nice, excellent, deep, very spacious pass-through storage, as well as a solar hookup underneath. As we go through, we have a nice power awning with LED light strips for your outdoor entertainment. Once we roll to the back, you see we got our outdoor entertainment. Now on this one, it doesn't have the kitchen, but it does have two fridges for ultimate snacking. Now if we roll inside, you notice your nice, easy, all-in-one control system that powers your entire unit, gives you nice, easy control. And when we roll back here to the back, the best feature about this guy is you got not only one, but two, and also a drop-down third bed for all the kids and their friends. Now as we work our way over here, you can see that this unit comes with a nice bit of storage. Look at that pantry. Excellent. Get a lot of snacks and stuff in there. And then as you can see, the layout of this with our island, it gives nice prep space for your kitchen area. And as we roll up to the front of the coach, you got your slide away door to your fully walk around queen bed with excellent storage spaces above and below. All right. One last thing before we head out. Show this excellent bathroom. Nice size shower. Beautiful countertops. Porcelain toilet. As we head out, you notice our nice step above steps that just simply glides in. You shut this bad boy up, you're ready to go.